This is a final video to fix YouTube videos loading slow or lagging on Firefox, so you can watch your favorite creators without any buffering. Are you facing a frustrating problem where videos take forever to start, stutter during playback, or make your whole browser feel heavy and unresponsive? This problem occurs because of a conflict between Google's video coding and Firefox's engine, or because your browser's hardware acceleration is struggling to process high-definition data. Most of the solutions you see on social media tell you to switch to a different browser or delete all your history, which is annoying and doesn't actually fix a performance glitch. Here at Rexish, we know you love using Firefox and just want it to work as fast as it used to. I have a secret easy trick that involves changing 3 hidden flags in your advanced settings to unlock a faster video renderer and bypass the laggy code. This method optimizes how your computer uses its graphics power to play YouTube videos, making them start instantly and run smoothly even at the highest quality. It is a permanent fix that takes less than 2 minutes and requires no extra downloads or technical expertise. Rexish is dedicated to helping you get the best speed out of your setup with simple steps that anyone can follow. Once you apply these hidden tweaks, your YouTube experience on Firefox will be faster than ever before. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly which flags to toggle and how to find the secret performance menu, just leave a comment below.